Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a file path like this in Terraform and felt confused? If you are thinking, what does this even means? Then this video is exactly for you. In this video, we are learning Terraform ABS path, absolute path function. First, let's understand one basic concept. What is a path? A path is simply the location of a file inside your computer. Just like your home has an address, every file in your system has an address. Now there are two type of path. One is the relative path and the other one is the absolute path. A relative path depend on where you are standing. Absolute path gives the complete address from the root. Think about this. If someone say the shop is next to my house, that only work if you are near their house or you know where their house is. That is the relative path. But if someone give you the full address with street code, city, pin code, everything, this is an absolute path. In Terraform, we often see relative path like this, and most of the time we get confused what it actually resolves to. That's where the ABS path comes in. The ABS function convert a relative path into a full absolute path. Here is the syntax, ABS path, and then we need to provide the path. So in simple word, you give it a path and Terraform return the full system path. So for example, ABS path script install.sh, Terraform will return something like home user project script install.sh. Now with the absolute path, it becomes very clear where the file is located. This is very important in real AWS and the DevOps project. Why? Because Terraform often need to read shell script, configuration files, template files, user data script. If the path is unclear, Terraform may not able to find the file and gives you the error. And there is one mistake which we generally do when we are learning the Terraform or when we are in the initial stage of learning the Terraform or when we are doing the Terraform project for the first time. What we are going to do is we copy path directly from the laptop without understanding that. We are not able to understand the difference between the absolute path and the relative path. And one more common mistake which we are going to do, we assume Terraform automatically know where every file is. And that is the reason sometimes we face problem like Terraform code working properly on our laptop, but once we are going to upload that code into the Jenkins or into the CI/CD or into the GitHub, then we are getting some error message like file not found, no such file or directory, cannot read the script, something like that. Let's do the demo for this. For the demo, I'm going to keep it very simple. Here I'm in my Visual Studio. I'm going to create a folder. Let me give a name like ABS path function. And inside this, I'm going to create one file and one folder. So let me create a file that is main.tf, from where I'm going to run my Terraform file. And I'm going to create one folder. And let me give a name of the folder like script. And inside this, I'm going to create one file. Let me give a name like message.txt. Hello. Okay, I'm good. Let me save it. Now I'm in my main.tf and I'm going to show you the difference between the absolute path and the relative path. And with that, you are able to understand this. Why we are using the relative path and why we are using the absolute path. And in Terraform, why it is important to use the ABS path. I'm going to create one local. The first one is, let me give a name like relative path. And I'm going to give the location of this. So in my case, the location is script and then message.txt. I'm going to create one more, that is ABS path is equal to, again it is going to be a string, not the string, we need to use the function, I'm so sorry, ABS, then local dot relative path. And for that, let me take output. Let me give a name like relative path for this one. Relative path output value is equal to local dot relative path. We are good with this. Let me create one more output. Let me give a name like absolute path underscore output. And in the value, I'm going to have local dot abs path. We are good. So let's see the local one more time. In the local, in the relative path, I'm giving the location. So this is my location where I have my txt file, where I have my script and everything. Okay. And in the absolute path, I'm giving local.relative path, this path. Okay. Let me save it and let me go to that folder cd.ls. We are good. Let me go with Terraform init command. We are good. And let me go with Terraform plan now. See the difference between the ABS path and the relative path. In the relative path, you are getting a path like this. And in the ABS path, you are getting the complete path. So this is the difference, relative path and the ABS path. Now if I'm going to change the location of my script, it is not going to make any difference. Hope you are able to understand why we are using the absolute path in our code, so that our code is not going to break because of the location change. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Keep learning. Thank you.